Technology, sincere, honesty. We realize the advancement of pneumatic technology with workmanship. Company. Since 1986, the Company has manufacturing various pneumatic devices like a feeder, etc. for workplace safety and efficiency. And we're still trying to do our best through conscious R&D. After all, we're exporting our own products to about 10 countries, Germany, Japan, Italy, etc., and these exports are expanding to another country. We'll work hard for the best satisfaction by the best technology and the best quality. Air feeder. Used primarily in the press field for automatic supply of thin sheets of various materials. Air transporter. Under the mold of the press, the product is installed in the area where it falls with a transfer plate. Air ball lifter. When replacing a mold in a press, it is possible to support the mold through the race ball and set it in detail. Non-stop vibrator. External piston type. Eliminate clogging of materials transferred from hopper and silo. Non-stop vibrator. Internal type. Helps align products when transferring parts feeders or linear feeders. Non-stop vibrator, knocker type. Eliminate hazards, hand entrapment, etc. from exposure to strike parts from existing models. Air turbine vibrator. A strong vibration force is required in a confined space. All-in-one air knocker. When to give a constant blow to a branch or raw material. Air filter. Removal of oil/water and impurities in compressed air made from the compressor. Air cooler. Used in a variety of areas where cooling is required. In case cooling is required, such as dry processing or injection of machine tools. Currently, cooling through normal compressed air or requires faster cooling. Through customized engineering services based on continuous technology development and customer needs, we will provide you with an effective solution to increase efficiency in your business. Company.